Okay, I haven't done that. Then the next one we are going to look at is a mix cell reference. In mix cell reference, we can have a column locked and the row unlocked. Okay, we combine it together that way. If you take a look at this example, the column is locked in this case, but the row is not locked. So that is what we call mixed cell reference. Or we can have a cell being locked, another cell not being locked. So it's still a cell mixed cell reference. So what I want to achieve with this now, I'm going to copy this value. Okay, then I will put it here at the top and transpose it, so it will be placed in horizontally instead of vertically. Okay, now I want to multiply 4 by 4, 4 by 6, 4 by 5, 4 by 7, and do same to others. So in this case, when I'm multiplying 4 by 4, 4 by 6, 4 by 5, and 4 by 7, that means at that point in time, this one is locked, the column is changing, but the row is locked in the case of the value here against 4. Okay, so we are going to make use of it that way, equal to the value I5 locked. Okay, so I'm going to lock only the column, and I will free the row for this value. I will free the column, sorry. I'm going to free the column and lock the row. So let me take that again. I want to lock the column and free the row. Okay, multiply by, then the value here. So is the column that is going to change this time around, not the row. So that means I'm going to lock the row, $sign, just add $sign to that, press enter, so we get 16. If I copy this formula, then I should have 24, 20, and 28. Okay, now if you take a look at this, you see that for this, the column for 4 is locked, while the row is changing. So if I drag it this way, it's going to multiply. I should have something like 24, 20, and 28 as well. Otherwise, that means it's wrong. So if I do the same thing here, that's going to be 6 times 6, 5 times 6, and 7 times 6. So you know what the answer should be. So 6 times 6, 36, 5 times 6, 30, 7 times 6, 42. So you can see that the value varies in that order. Okay, so you can actually tell me the value that is logged in this case. Okay, so 7 times 7, 49. So in this case, we lock the uh, row, then we leave the column unlocked. Okay, in this case, we lock the column, for the value here, we lock the column, then we leave the row unlocked. So just try to observe it very well. This is how the how to make use of the cell references. Okay, so I'm going to remove all this and do it the other way around so that you can see. So if I do it this way now, so I should get the same thing. If I go this way, I should have the same thing. 6 times 3 will still give me the same value. If I go this way, I should have the same thing. If I go this way, I should still have the same thing. Okay, you know, the other time we move downward, now I move it across, so it should still give us the same thing in as much as the formula is correct. So don't forget, if you want to lock a cell, if it is a column that you are locking, you start with a $sign, then followed by the column that you want to lock. If you want to lock a row, then a $sign will precede the row number. So if you want to lock a particular cell, that means a $sign will come before the column of the cell, and a $sign will come before the row of that same cell. Take for instance, I want to lock cell K15. I want to lock both column and row. That means I'm going to have it done by putting $sign K, then $sign 15. Okay, so this is how you lock the entire the cell, a particular cell. If I only want to lock the column, then I will remove the $sign for row. If I only want to lock the row, I will remove the $sign for column. Okay, so this is how you lock your cell. And if you want to lock, while you are using your formula, you want to lock the cell completely. After typing the cell reference R3, then just press function key 4. It will automatically assign that for you. Okay, then at the same time, you can as well continue pressing F4 to either remove either of the two. Okay, for example, so going back to relative cell referencing. If I want to lock it by pressing F4 function key 4 again, it will lock it. If I press it again, it will unlock the column and lock the row. If I press F function key 4 again, it will unlock the row and lock the column. So this is how to go about using your function key to unlock or lock a column or a row. Thank you.